Why you are you run? Why you are you run? Your classmates were walking. Why were you run? When the same time, when the same moment, your classmates were walking. What was the secret? As the same questions to find out the second paragraph, the first questions. Yes, sir, the interrogative questions. He was to find out the answer to self, to himself. Today in this class, look at the second or third and fourth paragraph, or completion of this poem. First two paragraphs, the poet asked to her, why were you run? Why did you run? When your schoolmates were walking. To find out the questions. Was it to feel of the fresh air and the sunshine? Was it to feel sunshine and fresh air? When the poet asked question to her, why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? Was it to feel of the fresh air and sunshine? Was it to feel fresh air and sunshine? At the same way. And then the second question, why did you sprint? Why did you sprint if they started to run? Why did you sprint? Why did you sprint? You jigili kittidi. When your classmates, when other students were running. You only continue. Why did you run? When others were walking, why did you feel fresh air? Why did you feel of fresh air and sunshine? Then next question, the poet asked the next question to her. Why did you sprint? Why did you sprint? When your schoolmates were running. ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅವರು ಓಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತರು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀನು ಜಿಗಿಯೋದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತಿ, ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಓಡತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತಿ. ಯಾಕ? Why did you sprint if they were started to run? Was it to stare of the breeze in our hair? Was it to freeze? Was it to stare of breeze in our hair? In the third question, why did you try while others were flying? While your friends were flying, because what made the coach recognize? You are special. You are special. What made the coach recognize you are special? Your coach or your PE teacher was recognized. What was your behavior? What was he find out in our ability? Are he find out in your ability? Are you coach? was the coach to find out your ability? To write a question to the poet to her. In the fourth question, what was the secret that made it seem fun? What was the secret? Why was it choose? Why was it choose in this game? Why was you select in this game? What was the secret in this game? Because your schoolmates were walking, while at the same way or the same time you are running. When they look at you, when they are look at you, already you are sprint. They were run. Already you are sprint, but your friends who are running. At the same time, after you are got to trying when your friends were playing or enjoying their childhoods, enjoying our child age, but you are already trying. When you are already trying, why? What was the secret? What made to find out the record? What made to find out the coach? In your ability or her ability, what was the secret? What was the secret? Who was find or the coach was find out her ability, her determination, her hard work. What was the secret that made it seem fun? Was it because you had courage to speak? You had courage to speak. Was it because you had courage? You had a courage. You had a lot of courage or lot of confidence to got more of your achievement or to got a more honors. Already how to decide. Already when you are child, if you are child, already you are decided. Are you decided? No. Next two paragraphs. Look at the next paragraph. Showing your will. When the muscles were hatching, long spells of effort and much to be learned, heeding the words that some other rejected, knowing that winning could only be earned. The poet to find out the answer, to ask some more questions to her achievement, her previous work, her aim. Showing your will or confident or desire. Will it means a desire? Will it means desire? Desire. Will it means desire? Ichha Shakti. Showing your will when the muscles were hatching. Hatching means pain. Hatching means pain. Showing your will when the muscles were hatching, long spell of effort, long spells of effort, and much to be learned. Spell it means. Kannada meaning is Patisu. But in this poem, spell means routine work or daily work. Continue to doing work in every day, every minute to effort. Spells answer period of time. Spell it means period of time. Or continuous work, or daily works, or hard work. Spell means hard work or continuous work to reach when you reach a goal. When you reach your aim. In aim ಅನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟುವವರೆಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಡೈಲಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವಾ? Showing your will when your muscles are hatching, ನಿನ್ನ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಂಸಖಂಡಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತ. Showing your will when your muscles are hatching, ಆ ನೋವು ನೀನು ಪಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಆ ನೋವು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತ, ಪುಟಿದೇಳುವಂತೆ ಚಿಮ್ಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತ. Where you are showing when the muscles were hatching, long spells of a bird. It spells, it means, has the same meaning, learn or daily work. Spells means to repeat some more words. But in this poem or in this word, in this moment, the spell means period of time or routine or daily works. Compulsory done this work. Because her muscles were acting. Do not sit silent. Don't sit silent. To encourage every time. Her muscles were encouraged every time. Her muscles feeling encouraged to herself. Her to achieve or reach a goal or reach a aim or reach or progress. It means the same meaning as the same. The spell means her progress or continuation of her progress. In the daily, her daily that participate or daily her daily work. Long spells. When we got a long spells or long time of the work, long time of the same work. One day you have got to honors or fulfill your aims. When to long period have to the continuation of the work, finally you reach in your determination. When initially or previously you had a lot of works. You have a hard work. Finally you reach in our goal. But other your friends were lazy. Those are enjoying her enjoying her childhoods, to play the games, to enjoy their life. But she was not enjoying their life. She was not enjoying her life. She was, due to hard work every day or every time, don't stop this work, still reach her goal. Because she got 3 gold medals in 1956 at Melbourne in the athletic games. In 1956, she had get 3 gold medals. She had 3 gold medals. She had 3 gold medals in the Melbourne, held in the Melbourne in the athletics. The athletic games was held in Melbourne in 1956. She got 3 gold medals. And then 1964 again repeated. When after she got the 3 gold medals, she, due to hard work every day and every time, because again she got 4th gold medal held in Tokyo of the athletic games in 1964. Because she her hard work in the previous days. Every day she was hard work. Every day she was difficult task and had a lot of aims, lot of effort, lot of determination or perseveration to her work. Long spells of effort. When she got a 3 gold medals, her in the previous years. For examples, you got a more marks or 90 above 90% of the marks in the your forthcoming examination or in the final examination of the SSLC or 9th class, but your hard work, your previous days due to hard work. Finally you reach in our aims or in our goal. But in the previous classes and the previous days, do not hard work, finally you got more marks. Finally you do not more marks because still doing more hard work in our study, finally you got more marks. In the same way, the poet tells us, you long spells of effort. The Betticut word was long spells of effort or long period of effort or long period of time to her effort. Finally she got 3 gold medal in 1956 held in the Melbourne of the athletics or athletic games. And then received, but after the Melbourne athletics, against the hard work in the daily, finally he got 4th gold medal in Tokyo 1956. It because her hard work. When she was a child, her classmates were walking, but at the same time they were running. But she was running. Her classmates were walking at the same time. In her childhood, she was very fast running. Then again, look at her friends too. See, the Betticut bird, after they were started to running, already she was sprinting or very fast running. After they were playing, but she was already trying from the coach. But already she was trying from the coach. But her friends were playing or enjoying their childhoods. But she was not enjoying. She was not playing in her childhood. But she was due to hard work every day or every time to reach the goal. When she was a child, she had one goal. Finally, when she was a child, already had one aim. I would be achieved in the athletics game. I would be achieved, or more got prize, or more honors in the athletic games in our forthcoming days. Already she was decided when you are doing hard work. When you are doing hard work in her childhood. And the same way, in the David batsman to explain. Long spell of effort and much to be learned. Long spell of effort. Hard work in our childhood. She was involving. She was very interesting very interesting and involving in this athletic games. Because finally she got fourth gold medal. Finally she got fourth gold medal in the Tokyo in 1956. It is not easy. It is not easy to honor. It is not easy to honor nobles, but it is a very difficult task. But one scientist, Abdul Kalam is a very greatest scientist in the world because he was hard work. Because he was hard work. His childhood and especially in the science field. Because he was more honorable person of the global. In case he was not doing the hard work in his childhood, he was not a great scientist as a normal scientist. India has more scientists, more doctors, those who are not famous. But one or two persons are Nobels are famous in the world, but the India had more scientists even today. But some more persons or some few scientists are famous in the world. As like C.V. Raman and M. Visvesvaraya, and then the APJ Abdul Kalam. These scientists are famous in the world, but in other persons not famous because they are not doing hard work, but they are doing a work. But all of the scientists doing the work, not a hard work. They are doing our works to earning a money, but the APJ Abdul Kalam or C.V. Raman or M. Visvesvaraya, those who are not earning money, but to interesting and involving their jobs and love their jobs because they were famous. But otherwise, other scientists who are not love our jobs, they are not famous. They are doing work. Their own benefits are as like a business because they were not famous. As I said, the Devil batsman ode of the Elizabeth Cuthbert, achievement of the Elizabeth Cuthbert, or prize of Elizabeth Cuthbert. Long spell of effort and much to be learned, heeding the words, to consider their works, consider your father works, consider your coach words, coach ideas, coach words or coach ideas are your guide teachers. Consider your guide teachers and how to follow your guide teacher and how to follow your coach. But her friends were negated to her words, their words. But the Elizabeth Cuthbert was considered or heeding the others' words, heeding the seniors' words or senior ideas to got more honorables, to got more models. Because she was considered to words of her seniors or her coaches or guide teachers, but other students or other friends were not considered to their words because they were failure, but she was successful life, or she was succeed because she was considered to or heeding some other words, some others words when she was encouraged. Heeding words and some other rejected, but her friends were rejected. Knowing and winning could only be earned. Knowing, ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ನಿನಗೆ? Knowing and winning, ನಾನು ಗೆಲ್ತೇನೆ, ನೀನು ಗೆದ್ದೇ ಗೆಲ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ? Knowing that winning could be earned. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತುಗಳು ನಿನಗೆ ಗೆಲುವಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Knowing and winning could be earned. Earned means lot of effort. Earned means ಗಳಿಸು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Knowing and winning could be earned, could be lot of effort. Could be lot of effort. In the last paragraph, look at the last paragraph. Time slipped away. Coming to the examination. Coming to the final examination, time slipped away, time passed away. Coming to the exam in this day or in this day, when time passed away, already time gone away. Passed means gone away, or slipped means gone away. And coming the Olympics in the Tokyo. Time slipped away. Then came the Olympics. Time slipped away, time passed away. Then came the Olympics. When she was participating the Olympic Games in the Tokyo in 1964. The time slipped away. Then came the Olympics. Still in our teens. Teens means youth or young. Still in our teens, but spurred on by the cheers. Still in our teens, but spurred, prachodistu, or encouraged. Spurred means encouraged. Spurred or encouraged. Spurred means encouraged. But spurred on by the other cheers. ಅವರು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ನೀನು ಓಡಿದಂತೆ ಅಥವಾ ನೀನು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಟು ಯು. Glory at last. Glory at last. Or fame or prize. Glory means fame. Glory. Glory means or pride or honor. Given to the glossary. Fame or prize or honor. Fame. Glory at last. Finally have to win. Our goal. Glory at last. As you gain. Gain means earn. ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಡೆ ಗಳಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಏನನ್ನ what she can. What was she? God. What was she got? Or what was she earned? ಏನನ್ನ ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದು? remember, a time to remember, or retired, after rest in her life, she can remember in that moment, in the whole, when she was honored the 4th gold medal. She can remember her retirement life, her rest life. She got remember. A time to remember the rest of your years. Time to remember. Or punha ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸುವುದು when you are retired to Olympic Games. Retired to the Olympic Games. When you can remember that achievement, that prizing moment, honoring moment, she got remember. She was remembered to her rest life, or her retirement of the retired life of her that game. The poet batsman says, a time to remember the rest of your years, or rest of your life, in the final life, or retired life, or age life. You can remember all those moments, in the first gold medal, third gold medal, fourth gold medal. How can you got 3 gold medals in 1950, 1954, and 1960 and 1956. So 1956 in the Melbourne, held in Melbourne in the Olympic Games, she got 3 gold medals in the running race. And then the fourth gold medals she got a 4th gold medals held in Tokyo in the Olympic Games. These are all the moments. All these moments she can remember rest her life, or retire life, or senior citizen life, to enjoy the senior citizen life, or retire life. She got more achievement. How can I got 4th gold medals? How can I participate? How did I participate in the Olympic Games at Melbourne and then Tokyo? She can remember. Completion of this poem. Dear student, you can understood in this poem to given the difficult one in the glossary, and again some more questions to find the answer in our notes, and the best of luck to get an easily answer to in our examination, answer the question in our exam.